How? 50 feet. Uno. I just we're a bunch of sickos. I said we're a bunch of sickos. I'll see. Beat up, old. Old, beat up.
Old and used.
Yep. All right, got all the 2x4s on. Got all the numbers marked. What we do by numbers is right there. Just mark what it is back to the outside of for that. Whatever it measures to is what it is. One by fours, overhang all the way around. Close all that in, make it party. What we do is, because you can have some up and down right there. We used to go 3.5, and what we'd run into is that up and down problem. So we started going 4 to 4.5. Once it brings it down to here, that way we can float it wherever we need to, so we can make it straight down to there. In order to do this project, you're definitely going to need a metal brake.
Hold up a minute. Give me 1 second. Alright.
I'm where I need to be. I feel like I'm hitting something though. I feel like I'm all the way to the top of my plywood. Kinda am. So, like something's holding me over here. That's all it was. Okay, I got it. That's where I need to be. How's it look?
Yours. Pull the center up just a little bit. Get glimpses of that and throw down one of these. Ready, Eric? I like it.
That looks good there from here.
I like it.
Looks a wheel good. I love it. I want some more of it. Beautifulness.
No, that's going to be almost 5 inches. You're going to turn around.
Yeah, I'll get there in a minute. That's going to go in 5 inches underneath, right?
Yeah, it's going to turn.
Yes.
You're going to take the box and cut the boxing off the baseboard, put your slice in, and chill then all of it. Then you're going to cut that one piece off.
Tell me.
I'm good. Should have put a bigger bit in this thing.
Yeah, you need something, dude. If you're going to do that all day, you not change that. It's 2 seconds coming over the top.
No, hold on. Hold on. Come on in.
Hold on, see that? See that?
Yeah.
Trim that. Give me them snips, please, sir. I'm gonna trim that just a little bit.
1/4 inch.
I see it. Can you, no, I got it. Leave right there. Shut up. She says she's on it. Silly bitch.
Hold on, let go for a minute. Boxing got to come down. Yep, I'm good.
Liking it right there, actually. How you feeling about it, Paul?
I'm good.
I mean, I can't see down there, so it looks good to hear.
I'm good. Put a new in it.
I'm gonna do it.
I got to hold it.
You got it? I'm letting go.
Hold it. Let go.
Thank you, sir.
I got my boxing tight.
That's all I care about, buddy.
You want to let me lay in too?
You want one down there?
Yes, I do.
I will do it, Paul.
I do. You seen that? Caught you out of the nail. Have it back.
You caught it?
Caught
You
it.
caught my nail. That was pretty slick. Oh boy, that hurts. That doesn't make me. I can mark it. Huh? I was just going to go 1.5 inches down and turn it.
Bring it down right. We're good?
See where I'm at? That's where you're going to be. See that? Same thing. I'm good.
He's about 1/4 inch down. Oh, one more. Good.
I marked it the wrong fucking way. That went the wrong way. I meant to go down instead of up.
Okay.
I didn't have to have that. Oh yeah. Normally we just cut that little bit right there and it's good. All right, am I right? Yeah. Yeah, okay. Well, if you're exactly inked at the top, you got to cut it 2 inches the other way. Got me?
Box.
2 seconds.
But you got to put the foot.
Huh?
Yeah, I was just say you might have to put the first screw in there.
I can handle it. Mm-hmm. Well, it looks super nice. Right there, George, where you at? Can't really see it.
I got it. There you go. Hold my jug, give me a little bit of. Oh.
It's gonna be just fine, actually. Hold on, let go of that, please. That's what we're gonna have to go with, Paul.
Yeah.
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 Yep, I like it. Yep, right there. Yep, gonna be just fine. Okay, so I like to have myself an inch. I could easily guess an inch. I'm just not a guesser. Oh, I don't like guessing. Drives me insane. I'd rather be more accurate than a guess. And I can tell you, if you can even see what I'm working on. Oops, if you can even see what I'm working on here. Turn this the other way. Okay, I do this real quick, huh? Hot. I'm gonna get rid of this right here. I heard a piece of metal fall. Yeah, he did. I'll cut that. And it'll just break apart right there. I generally go ahead and start with my bottom piece. Fold it up. And grab that one. Fold it around. And that looks pretty dang good right there, George.
I didn't mark my 16s on that.
What? You didn't?
No,
alright.
I didn't mark my...
Put it back up. I got you. Yeah, just run that tape out and I'll mark it down. Mark it every 16 inches on the little fin. That's so fun. Here, give me the pencil back and I'll give you your tape back. I love it, man. I love it. Man, you're throwing it away, Paul. Hey, they don't pay for men's.
Oh, no?
No. Oh, no. It's nothing about that.
I bet you smell stronger.
I don't care. They ain't going that route. It's only the girls.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
How you know you get it from the females?
Excuse me?
How you know you get it from the females?
You don't, but that's who's advertising.
Oh, something going on right there.
We got a little hump in it.
Oh, but come in. All right, thank you.
Yeah. I can't go down any further because I'll be way to hell down if I do, Paul. I can't go further, okay? That's all I can go. If you like it.
Because I'm over this night, dude. I'm over top. Right, I'm over top. You can't go there. I think you're there. That's cut rubber. That's cut rubber. You can't go. Pull it now. You can go down some.
Well, his other end needs to go down if you do that.
Yeah.
No, you don't. No, you don't. He's down far enough. I can give you a little bit, Paul.
I can deal with that right there.
You can deal with that?
I can deal with that.
I'm going to let you deal with it then.
It's got a couple little ankles. I can get them out.
Yeah. Turn bar take care of that.
Yeah.
I'm just loving it. Love it. I love it. George. I was up too high, George. I was wondering what I was doing wrong. I was up a little too high. I like that. You had plenty up there, right?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
We need to cut some of them.
See if I can get some of this a little bit in the mark in here. And this is how it works. You put one little mic. You put one little mic right there. I say mic because I know some of them dang Yankees say that. That mic. And I got my mic. That all stays. What I'm looking for is 2 inches back because my face is 1.5 inches. This is my real mic. I'm gonna leave all of that and I'm gonna make my cut right there, and I'm gonna get rid of that all the way to here. Actually, all the way to here. This folds down, so you want, first thing you do is just cut that and that. That's if you can see it. If you can't see it, sorry about that. That's because I can't see it either.
How's it coming?
You coming, you coming. How's it coming? I came once. I like it. I love it. I want some more of it. Come on, girlfriend. Just give it to me. Alrighty. Now watch how pretty stuff happens now. Get rid of that right there. Oh, flip that over and cut that off, George. Yeah. Let's get rid of that piece. Get rid of that there. And then I'm gonna cut that piece. Boy, that do go, looks like more than 2 inches, but huh? I'm just fine, boy. I'm fine.
You're fine.
I'm fine as
You
wine.
got problems.
Fine as wine.
You know you got problems.
Yeah. Hey, better be happy than sad.
Yeah, that's right.
Don't like sad.
You got that man in Washington. Right on the wall. He would have been stoned.
Why so far? Why did it come down so far?
I don't know.
It's not there. Am I on it? I'm on it.
You there? Push it down.
Am I in?
Push it down.
Right down. I got it.
Oh, down.
Yeah. Boy, that's a big angle. Bigger than I expected.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. Take it back.
Isn't that unusual?
Yeah.
That's slightly unusual, Paul.
We said drop your face down.
I'm just not used to seeing it come down that far on such a small.
Pitch.
Yeah. It's weird. That is kind of weird. Did you give me 4.5 in the face?
Yep. That's what we did.
All day. You sure did, Paul.
I knew it.
You did. You did. Oh yeah.
That numbers give me a headache.
Oh, that's what I did right there. I went a little too far with that. That's what I did. I went further than I should have.
Oh.
See it?
Yeah.
That's all right, though. I'll make it wait. You know what you could do?
Nope. Nope.
That's a little big too, right there, Paul.
Think
That's
so?
more than 1.5 inches.
Nope. Can't be. That's
No?
what it's cut off to be. Push it down to me. Hit the wall. I gotta do something with that.
I think I'm there. No. And again.
And again. And again.
Go ahead, George. One, 2, 3,
use that in it? Oh, glue we use that in it? Must have been old.
Yeah, what? What is that for? Yeah, wait till you get the net filled up. You tell the difference. Start rolling out here.
Yeah.
Yeah, get that net full first.
Yep.
Like the first 30 feet, you ain't got shit.
Just gotta put it on thick. And still going.
Still going.
It's been a long, hard day. I've been working like a dog. It's all Paul's fault. Working me like a dog. Fingers crossed. I ain't lying neither. Fingers crossed. Seams.
House first.
Seams and dreams.
House first.
I was starting marking.
He's just marking around.
You do this while I clean it. This while I clean it.
Oh yeah. I think it needs a little bit of WD-40 or something. Squeaking.
Bring the bearings out.
And wore the bearings out of it.
Can you imagine having that noise in your ear all the time?
No.
Got Ricky Bobby waving.
The only time I remember that noise in my ear was that time that guy shot that shotgun in front of me. In front of my face.
That's messed up, dude.
Sawed off 12 gauge. Boom!
Uh,
I'm talking about that barrel was like 6 inches from my face. Shot right out the window in front of me.
and every bad thing about that is,
Scary.
you didn't get the hint.
What do you want?
It's a nice little lap there.
Yeah.
You always want to have it sticking out.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful right ride.
He just want to tie out.
Ricky.
Oh, that was Ricky.
Wife must have got mad at him. He didn't have no ice.
Oh, don't get her mad, dude. I seen her mad. Can't shut her up.
Plastic protection. thought it was in that bag. It's in the toolbox.
That must be nice. That's what water short and fast and fine.
Did you bring a pipe?
Yeah,
Yeah, I know. I just wondered if one came up.
no, I forgot about that. That's the only thing I forgot about.
Don't shoot.
Huh?
Don't shoot.
Yeah. No, I expect that to change.
Like that. And hold your piece. I'm gonna use it. That piece, my piece is just long enough, so I'm using it. I'm gonna go ahead and screw it for me. Well, you know what? I'm not gonna use it because I want 2 screws in it. Look, you need to cut me a piece out like that. So we just start at the ridge. We start at the ridge going down. Yeah, you gotta have 2 screws, you know. You know. I like that. Holds it same spot every time. Beautiful. there you have it. There you have it. Finished. If you've seen this at the beginning, you see a hell of an improvement. That's for sure. Had some issues. Nothing we couldn't fix. Nothing we couldn't fix. Super hot right now, sun shining on it. All the way around. Gable. Overhang. All the way around. Let's go look at this side. Pretty nice stuff right there. See the difference? So, see, big difference. Just has to shrink, and once it does, it'll all lay down just like this. I love it. It's an amazing product. EPDM. Esther, Patrick, Daniel Mary, EPDM. Rubber roofing over a single wide mobile home. Been doing this for just about 25 years now. The only thing I've ever been back on one for was one of them pipe boots back there. Just like that. And the reason was human error. My guy came and used black tar caulking instead of EPDM lap sealant underneath the pipe boot. Of course, it just melted right out and it leaked. That was a long time ago. I want to thank everybody for stopping by my channel, checking out my videos. And if you type in Drew's Roofing and Home Repair Alabama, you'll find us there. Drew's Roofing and Home Repair Georgia, you'll find us there. Drew's Roofing and Home Repair Virginia, you'll find us there. Drew's Roofing and Home Repair West Virginia, you'll find us there. Look around, you'll find us in a lot of places. You'll find us in a lot of places. But due to my surgery and health issues, I'm not doing much traveling right now, but I'm not done traveling. I just have to get myself better. Until then, we'll see you on the next one. And I hope you do me a favor and smash that like button while you're here. Maybe hit that bell notification so you're notified when I do another video. So until the next one, wish me luck with my operation, and we'll see you when we get there. Thanks for watching, everybody.